Those are the best shots, yeah. Next time we'll get these guys to fly a lot lower because it really shows up better. We'll find out here on this landing, Gary Parker's. Oh yeah, much better now. Much better. Very nice. Very nice, Gary. 1/3 Newport 17. Okay, what we got next for a landing? Oh, topper's coming down within camera range. Set her down, Joe. Attaboy. Oh, ho, 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 ho. How about that, sports fans? Joe's all right, no matter what they say. Okay. I'm going to go down and do some flying myself as soon as the Taub comes in. Okay, the Taub hopefully is going to come in for landing shortly. Here he comes. Down. All right, guys. Nice field. Just southeast of Molalla, Oregon, about 2 miles at the most. Yeah. I think I could fly here. I think anybody could fly here. Thank you, Grant Sharp. Here's a new arrival. Triplane. Very nice. Camera on. He's going to fly this beautiful Sopwith Tripe, is it, Paul?
Well, I'm going to try.
What do you mean, try? It looks like it's flying right now.
Lots of interference.
Well, we have Mr. and Mrs. Richardson paying their respects to the Dawn Patrol.
Finally made it.
Yeah. Allison, how are you?
Don't you know what time dawn is? Like 6 a.m.?
Noon. This is Triplane Row. Dick Glad has this Fokker DR1. And we got another Fokker DR1 here. No name tag.
John Tischler.
John Tischler, that's right. And this one is Desolé. Yeah, that's John Desolé's. And this one is Paul Cameron. He's got 2 triplanes here. How about that, sports fans? He's got a Sopwith. We got to see those fly shortly. Gary Parker is entering the speed dash event. One lap.
Speed run.
That's it. Okay, Joe Topper's got his high-powered Newport 28 in the race. And he's across the finish line.
What do you think, guys? Hey, Ben.
I think the victor is coming in for a landing.
We need a loser.
They try to get him to take one. De Havilland is in the race. Jay Christie is taking off for the great dash, speed dash. Gene LaFawn is going to show him what slow is.
I'm not sure if the batteries are going to last. Probably not going to make the finish line. Wouldn't it be a shame if it did not make the finish line?
I think we got the winner right there. Full flight for Joe.
Yeah, you see? Didn't tell you guys, did I? You can do anything you want there for as long as you want. About 29 more of those, Joe. You got her in the bag.
Hey, Joe did some funny stuff on that slow flight, and he's coming in. Hey, Gary Parker's taking off with Dick Heining's Antic for the Classic Air Race on Sunday. Hey, Gary's coming home. Oh, nice one, Gary. Ooh. How about that?
Absolutely gorgeous.
These are all the aircraft that were entered in the classic aeroplane race.
1912, actually.
Bruce Edwards,
During test flight on Friday,
Joe Topper,
there was a series of
Bruce Edwards,
attempted, some adjustments made in balance points.
another Bruce Edwards, or no, another Bruce Harlow. These are Bruce Harlows. And Dick Heining and Gene
Loss of control woke everybody up out there. I thought perhaps at one time one of the RVs or something was going to get T-boned by this thing, but Bruce
Nice
was able
bunch of
to
guys.
recover it, get it back on the field okay. This airplane won.
Scott is taxiing out for his takeoff. John Desolé is coming along for a flyby with his DR-1. Nicely done. John Desolé is a real pilot. He's going to do a touch and go for us with a DR-1, believe it or not. Looks good, John. Hey! Okay, John Tischler has taken off to join the fray. His beautiful DR-1. Here comes John for a flyby. Okay, John Desolé is coming home. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Hey, the D7 is coming in for a landing. Very nice. Okay, John Tischler is coming home. These airplanes are hard to land, these tri-planes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, oh. There we have Fokker D8 taxiing out. He's in the air. Jay Christie from Bandon, Oregon. Is D8. He's coming around. Very nice, Jay. Paul Haynes is taking off with Newport 28. Very colorful. Joe Topper's in the air. Uh-oh. Jay hit a little hard. There they are, the threesome. A couple of Fokker D7s being chased by Newport 28. Shoot them, guys. You get two at one time. Stay high up.
Folks are having.
Hey, Joe Topper's coming home after his patrol. He's down. Now it's Gary Parker's time to come in. He's down. Okay, Paul Haynes is coming in with the Newport 28. Look at that, sports fans, look at that.
The electric Wright Flyer.
Jay
It's an
Christie. Where are you from, Gray? Jay?
Say what?
Where are you from?
Bandon, Oregon.
And you win a Arizona model aircrafters. What is it, Jay?
This is
John?
1903. This is an ARF.
Oh, man.
Completed model
A Wright
1903
Flyer.
Wright Flyer. Good deal. Okay, the next prize over there on the table. Anyhow,
Hey.
John Desolé, a
Wins
Fokker
another.
DR-1 pilot. How about that, John?
He wins a Fokker DR-1. Okay, John. Good going, John. Wins himself a top flight
Good
from
okay.
Gaston. Wins a Taub. Good going, Scott.
Yeah.
Bruce Edwards wins this Arizona Modelers Wright Flyer kit. You got some?
Here, it's an excellent field for flying the vintage airplanes. A lot of facilities here with AC power and a great place for all of us to fly airplanes like this. And we certainly hope we can return again next year. Geographically, it's so beautifully located, and you've been such a kind and generous host that we have for you a couple of special things.
Grant Sharp.
Northwest RC Aviators, of course, is the sponsor of the event. So we have this plaque for you made of real walnut and really hand engraved, and it says, "Thank you, Grant Sharp, for hosting 2003 Dawn Patrol and Classic Airplane Race from Northwest RC Aviators."
Hey, good going, Grant. Good going.
RC Aviators, a beautiful Proctor Antique Parasol kit. And Northwest RC Aviators is making this kit as an award to you.
Good man, Grant.
Congratulations, guys.
Gene LaFawn, the pilot, winner of the Classic Airplane Race. Good going, guys. Third place, Gary Parker.
Front and center, gentlemen.
Flying Dick
Second place in
Heinings.
the Classic Air Race. Who gets this special award?
Third scale Anik with a Seidel cylinder.
Gary
seven
says,
cylinder
me.
with a Carlo.
Easy there,
Third
Bruce,
place.
Easy. Oh.
Third place in the Bruce Edwards comes in fourth in the Classic
Stand
race.
by just a moment.
Bruce Harlow wins.
Do it again. Oh.